now on some back roads east of where I usually ride. I took a different route today down to Somerville, Texas. Never been here before. It is just south of Caldwell, Texas. I have been there. I just wanted to see what it was like because it has a large lake on it in the city. And I didn't take any pictures inside of Somerville because the roads were so full of potholes and bouncy that any video I would have taken would have been bouncy. There's an oil well. I don't know if it's working or not, but it would have been bouncing up and down on it. Went to one little lake stop, and it said Welch Park. I thought, and that was my destination, which I plugged into the Indian, was Welch Park. But when I got there, it was like an exclusive beach and RV parking area. This is Deanville. And so I asked permission if I can go in and use their restroom, which was just a string of porta potties. And I said, is my senior National Parks Pass taken here? And the lady was very nice, and she said, no, we're an exclusive privately run resort RV style community. So I went and found myself a little picnic table off that site and packed a lunch, or unpacked my lunch, I should say, and ate it at a picnic table, as I say. But I also wanted to talk to you about checking your tires. And one of the nice things about the Indian is you can see your tire pressure on the screen on that ride command unit, and it says 48 rear, 42 front, which is great because last night I pulled a very large upholstery clip out of the rear tire sidewall, and I checked it very closely because it had just pierced the skin of the tire. It was kind of like a flesh wound. And so I sprayed it, I messed around with it, and found out that it wasn't leaking. So I filled it up to pressure yesterday, and it's holding quite well today, which I'm happy about because I've only got about 1,500 miles on this tire. I wanted to hold on to it for
Prepare to turn left in half a mile.
Another 10 miles. I'm sorry, another 10,000 miles. I was listening to the GPS. So my lesson is everybody should check their tire. I have no idea where that staple came from. It was quite large.
In 900 feet, turn left.
And certainly if it was...
In 500 feet, turn left.
If it was a quarter-inch to the inside of the tire, it would have rendered the tire useless. So I'm happy that it didn't, and I still have a fully functioning tire. So please check your tires often. Check your air pressure at least once a week. There are some people that check it every time they ride. The Indian with its valance fenders, it's a little more difficult to do that. So what I did yesterday also is I painted a white circle on the tire by the valve stem, which is going to help me identify where the valve stem is when I want to check the tire pressure. But in any event, keep an eye on your tires. There's plenty of other things out here that are, what should I say, dangerous to us. And so one of the things that we have control of is having good tires with good air pressure without any foreign objects sticking out of them. So I hope that helps somebody, and looking forward to your comments below and checking back with y'all soon. Hope y'all have a great day, great weekend, and I will talk with you later. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.